What up? This is Nancy from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce the Reebok Pump Grapefruit Shoes item from the MovinsEdition series. It's a new product from MovinsEdition that's especially popular for both men and women, and it's a classic Pumps Graphlite product that's hard to get a large size. The Reebok Pump Graphlite is a bit of a forgotten hero, although it often gets overshadowed by its flashier younger brothers, the Pump Fury and Shaq Attack, which took its tech and added wilder looks and big name appeal. It's a great shoe in its own right. Born as a cross trainer in 1992, the Graphlite introduced us to that massive midsole cutaway and carbon fiber footbed, designed to save weight and bulk while increasing stability. Pump custom fit and Hexalite cushioning were also thrown into the mix, packing the shoe with tech and positioning it as Reebok's top-tier cross trainer in the early 90s with a price point to match. It's one of the most popular models that many people at home and abroad leave behind their reviews. Nancy personally seems to be a model that would look better in black than in white strings. Haha! The pump function was so popular that I don't think we need to explain it separately. The pump looks attractive. Hexarized. Unique outsole structure. First up is that Graphlite arch bridge, which uses a printed composite rather than the OG carbon fiber, with the second most obvious change being the upper switching to leather instead of synthetic white suede, although ditching the dirt magnet bits won't upset those who like to keep shoes clean. Nancy is one of the most comforting sneakers I've ever worn in running shoes or driving shoes. This is the only new product in MovinsEdition that was Reebok Pump Graffy Classic. It's a new Reebok Pump series that's hard to get in big sizes. It's Reebok's male and female steady sellers. I recommend it to collectors and enthusiasts of Reebok Pump products. Bye!